Think of your metabolism as the engine that keeps your body running. Just like a car engine needs fuel to operate, your body needs food to generate energy. This energy is essential for every activity, from the simplest tasks like walking and talking to more strenuous activities like jogging in the park or walking on a busy city street. Metabolism is the complex process of converting the food we eat into the energy we need. It involves a series of chemical reactions that break down nutrients and transform them into fuel. This energy fuels everything we do, from the simple act of breathing deeply during meditation to the intense effort of running a marathon. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, even when you're at rest. This can help with maintaining a healthy weight and building muscle definition. On the other hand, a slow metabolism can make it harder to manage weight and feel energized. It can leave you feeling tired and sluggish, making daily tasks more challenging. But don't worry, understanding your metabolism is the first step to taking control of your health. By learning how it works, you can make informed choices that boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. Several factors can contribute to a slower metabolism. Age, unfortunately, plays a role, as metabolism naturally declines over time. Genetics also play a part. Some people are simply predisposed to a slower metabolism. Lifestyle choices matter too. Lack of physical activity and poor diet can significantly slow down your metabolic rate. Certain medical conditions like hypothyroidism can also contribute to a sluggish metabolism. How can you tell if your metabolism is dragging its feet? One of the most common signs is unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight despite diet and exercise. Other symptoms include constant fatigue, feeling cold even in warm temperatures, and experiencing frequent constipation. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's worth exploring ways to give your metabolism a boost. Section 4. Fueling the fire: natural ways to boost metabolism. The good news is that there are natural ways to stoke your metabolic fire. Incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Activities like jogging, yoga, and even preparing a healthy smoothie can all contribute to a more active metabolism. Regular exercise, especially strength training, is crucial. Engaging in activities such as lifting weights, doing push-ups, or using resistance bands can help build muscle mass. Building muscle mass helps your body burn more calories even at rest. The more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, which means you'll burn more calories throughout the day. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is equally important. These foods provide essential nutrients that support metabolic processes and overall health. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also key to keeping your metabolism humming along smoothly. Drinking plenty of water helps your body process calories more efficiently, and adequate sleep ensures your body can recover and function optimally. Section 5. Mitolyn, a natural ally in the quest for better metabolism. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy metabolism can be a challenge. Many of us struggle with sluggish energy levels and difficulty in managing our weight. That's where Mitolyn comes in. In addition to lifestyle changes, natural supplements like Mitolyn can provide an extra boost to your metabolic health. By incorporating Mitolyn into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural processes and enhance your overall vitality. Mitolyn is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients carefully selected for their metabolism-supporting properties. These include green tea extract, known for its antioxidant benefits, and ginseng, which has been used for centuries to boost energy and stamina. These ingredients work synergistically to help your body burn calories more efficiently, support healthy energy levels, and promote overall well-being. Regular use of Mitolyn can lead to noticeable improvements in how you feel and function every day. Mitolyn can be a valuable tool in your journey to a faster metabolism and a healthier you. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and take a step towards a more energetic and balanced life with Mitolyn. Ready to ignite your metabolism and unlock your body's full potential. Start by incorporating the lifestyle changes we discussed and consider exploring the benefits of Mitolyn. Remember, a healthy metabolism is a journey, not a destination, and every step you take towards a healthier you counts.